Southern California arborists, climbers, utility and municipal specialists, aerial lift specialists, anyone who needs ISA CEUs before the end of the year. I've got an exciting announcement about an upcoming chipper operator safety workshop being offered through FMI Equipment in Yuba City, California, December 2nd from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Successfully completing this course will entitle you to earn a TCIA Chipper Operator Specialist Certificate that's good for 3 years, and CTSP and ISA CEUs shown right here. Normally this training can cost up to $375 per person, but for the next 15 people who register, it's 100% free. The room is packed and space is limited, so you've got to register now. Hosted by FMI Equipment and presented by Morbark, this TCIA Tree Care Academy Chipper Operator Specialist course is designed to train tree care crews in hazards, as well as accepted procedures for brush chipper operation and other safe practices. The course, which is built for crew members who often don't receive any formal training opportunities, will help to increase productivity while keeping people safer out there on those job sites. We'll have giveaways and offer a light breakfast and lunches provided. This 5-hour workshop is even presented in English, but the test is in English and Spanish. Again, the cost is free for the next 15 people who register, so scan this code and reserve your spot now. See you there. Oh, check out this tree. This is a Morton Bay fig tree here in Big Tree Park, located in Glendora, California. It's believed to have been planted around 1880, which makes it 144 years old. This thing is huge. It's in the National Register of Historical Places and considered a monumental tree in Los Angeles. And for those of you who like to carve your name in it, don't. No one cares that you heart Sandra Stephen. No one does. I'm going to show you how big this is. I'm going to climb it. Watch it. Let me climb it. Oh my God. This is, I know, it doesn't look as scary as it is. Once you get up there, it's pretty sketch. Also, if you're wearing the wrong shoes. But look how massive this tree is. I am wearing the wrong shoes, by the way. Why did I choose running shoes? I never run. I mean, they're comfortable, but not for climbing giant trees. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, all right. See you in Yuba City.